Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome back to the Breastfeeding Den. Today, we are going to talk about the Motif Luna. The version that we have is the original, which does require it to be plugged in. The battery version of the Luna has just launched and should be making its way to distributors so that parents have that option through insurance as well. When you get your Motif Luna, you're going to get packaging that has 2 tubes. Today we just have one. You'll have the backflow protectors, you'll have the flange, the bottle, and your duckbill valve. You want to make sure that all of these pieces are put together very tightly. And when you're washing the pump, you technically can leave the back piece on the tube and just wash these parts. You want to make sure that when you are assembling the backflow protector, that you get a nice tight seal. So you're going to take the small part of the backflow protector and wrap your soft silicone piece around it, and then put the larger piece over it so it's nice and tight. You put that into the back of your flange, make sure your duckbill is attached, and screw on your bottle. You're now ready to go. If you wanted to double pump, you would pull off the cap and plug in the other pump here, other tube there, so you have the whole setup ready to go. So to turn the pump on, you're going to press the power button. One of the nice features, I should say, about the Motif is that it remembers what mode you turned it off in. So we turned off in massage mode, and it is now in massage mode, which you can see with the little icon here. If you're not in massage mode, you can just push that button to go into your massage mode to start your pumping session. In massage mode, your cycle speed is going to be 60. That's 60 sucks per minute. And your levels can range from 1 to 5. So you'll use your level button to change that. Your cycle speed you can't change in massage mode. You're going to want to stay in massage mode for 1.5 to 2 minutes while your breasts start producing milk. That's to trigger your letdown. Like when your baby starts nursing, they've got the nice fast, light suck to help get the milk to start flowing. Once the milk starts flowing, you're going to change out of massage mode into expression mode. This is when your baby would start those longer draws and gulps at the breast. So your expression mode, you can see the icon at the bottom of the screen. Your cycle speed in expression mode on the Motif Luna ranges from 30 up to 46. I would start at 42, 46, and kind of go from there. The cycle speed is your number of sucks per minute. Your vacuum level is going to range from 1 up to 12. 7 or 8 is a great place to start. If your flanges fit you properly, you should be able to tolerate a higher cycle speed and suction level. Just pay attention to how the flanges fit. You can also check out our video on flange fit to make sure that you have the right size flanges. The other button over here is your light. The Luna actually has 3 levels of light, so that if you are pumping in the dark, you can give yourself the right amount of light for you. And there's a nice little handle back here too to make it easy to carry. So it's a fairly simple pump to use. You've got your clock so you know how long you've been pumping. And then once you're been pumping for a few minutes, the milk starts to slow down. You can go back into that massage mode, trigger another letdown, get more milk, and get through your pumping session faster. And if you want to make sure that you're in that massage mode when you start pumping next time, just make sure you turn back into massage mode before you turn it off. So we hope that was helpful. If you have other questions about your Motif Luna, please make sure to let us know in the comments below. If there are other pumps you'd like us to talk about as well, we'd love to hear from you. You can comment, subscribe, and also find us on Facebook and Instagram at the BF Den.